OK，咁依家咧就去到8.6同8.7啦，呢一個 video。OK， so first, I won't again because 8.6 and 8.7 are quite easy to understand. So it is actually quite common sense. So I will only highlight the very key points. So one important things you have to notice is that for 8.6, because there's a section about the extraction of the reclamation materials affecting the environment. So here pay attention. The focus is how extracting those geological resources, okay, affects the environment, but not how reclamation affects the environment. 即係話咧係你喺抽取呢一啲嘅地質嘅原料嘅時候，點樣喺個過程入邊去影響到個環境，而唔係講緊話填海呢一樣嘢點樣影響個環境。OK， 咁呢個要記住啦。OK, so first of all, for the rock fill, because we can take many quantities of the rock from the hills, okay, to do the reclamations, and during the extractions, okay, to the environment, we will produce the noise which will scare away the birds, okay, noise pollutions. And during the extractions, there are dust. It may harm our lungs, our nose, the respiratory system, okay, due to the air pollutions. And some of the rock debris or the soil, they might block the drainage channel, 即係會塞咗啲渠啊。Okay, and the sediment content in the nearby water will increase. Sorry 啊，因為有時嗰個版本唔同咧，咁所以呢度都有時啲 symbol show 得唔係幾好。咁你可以睇翻書97頁啦，咁係應該即係呢一個 sediments 嘅 content 咧係會 increase 嘅。OK， 咁 increase 咗啦，咁咧就可能有啲嘅 pollution problems 啦，因為呢啲石未必全部都係乾淨，或者佢有啲有害嘅污染喺入邊啦。So when we are doing the rock fill, we need to remove the vegetations and soil. It will cause the destroy of the habitats and for the animals, so they cannot find food, and the remaining soil cannot support the vegetation alone, so this will cause the destructions to the ecosystem. For the bare rocks, they fall down from the hills, they will leave kind of the scars. This will cause the visual pollution， 就係話視覺污染啦，就係咁樣啦。即係呢啲你見到佢係嗰個採石嘅過程啦，全部都採石嘅過程造成對一啲環境嘅傷害啦。咁呢度其實 nothing with 嗰個 reclamation， 即係佢完全冇填海咁樣噶嘛，係攞咗啲石出嚟，咁我哋就係要注重個 process 啦。And another extraction of the materials is from the marine, from the sea, right? So we need to dredge the seabed， 即係去掘嗰個海床啦。咁會有啲咩問題咧 ？First of all, you do the dragging, okay, and dumping of the contaminated mud， 有毒嘅泥啦。The toxicity of the seawater will increase, which might affect the food chain at the end and the health risk on us. And you dredging the sand will increase the level of the suspended sediment， 即係啲漂浮嗰啲嘅沉積物啦，即係會揚起晒佢哋啊嘛。The turbidity will increase and reduce the visibility， 即係你污濁咗個水啦，因為你嗰個 turbidity 即係嗰啲漩渦咁樣咧，整到成個水好混濁啦，咁所以佢就好難去揾嘢食啦。OK， 好似就能見度降低啦。And they may also the suspended sediment may clog the gills of the fish， 咁佢哋就唞唔到氣又會死啦。OK，the marine life will die。 At the same time, because you dredge the sand, right？ 咁即係你喺個海床底嗰度係咁掘泥咁樣掘，就會 destroy 咗一啲 sea creatures 嘅 habitats 啦。OK， 咁呢一度就係一啲好簡單啲方法去點樣去 reduce 一啲 negative 嘅 impacts 啦。咁呢度我 highlight 一個可能大家都唔係好熟悉嘅，就係叫做 environmental assessment 環評啦。咁唔知通識有冇學過啦？即係進行一啲嘅大 project 嘅時候咧，其實嗰個公司或者政府係需要去做一個環境嘅傷害或者污染嘅一啲嘅評估啦。咁去睇下佢應唔應該係繼續做嘅。咁呢一個都係好大去幫助到去評估一啲嘅究竟佢嘅 benefits 係多啲啊，定係 loss 係多啲咧 ？Both to 個 econ 同埋個 environment 啦。Okay, so for the pros and cons of the landfill, the public field. Okay, so it's very common sense, and I think you will learn it in LS as well. So very simple. So you could look it by yourself, so I won't repeat it much here. And there's a case study about the Hong Kong International Airport, so you can take a look on that as well. Okay, that's the end of 8.6. So now I will move to 8.7. For 8.7, I will mainly focus on what are the causes of the landslide in Hong Kong. So you can turn your book to page 110. So if you got your book with you, you can take it out, or you can also open the PowerPoint that I have sent you before. So on page 110, just a very quick revision of in what conditions the landslide will happen. So you know when the shear strength, the shear stress is greater than the strength of the slope， 即係個拉力係大過佢可以 hold 佢自己 hold 到嘅能力咧，咁就會有 landslide 啦。咁而家我哋睇下個 shear strength， 即係佢自己 hold 到個能力係點樣樣先 ？hold 到個能力係可以有擺一啲嘅 vegetations 啦。OK，the plant roots they can hold the soil together，the soil grains they can stick together。And this cohesion force, they can hold the soil or the rocks together. Okay, another thing is the friction 嗰個嘅摩擦力啦。唔係 ，sorry 個阻力 the friction 係咪冇？唔記得咗中文係咩 ？sorry 唔緊要啦，你哋 check 一 check 個 friction 啦，即係嗰個阻力啦，摩擦個阻力。The resistance it can be resistant to the motion of one object moving against another。咁如果佢有足夠嘅阻力嘅時候咧，佢都係可以hold 到夠力，就唔使俾個 force pull down 佢啦。咁個 shear stress 咧喺香港，唔係 general 嚟講啦。咁當個 gradient of the slope increase 啦，個 shear stress 都會 increase， 即係你越斜就越容易跣低啲嘢啊嘛，係嘛？咁第二啦，落好多雨嘅時候咧，就會增加咗 the rainwater will add the weight of the slope material， 佢哋嘅重量啦，增加咗個重量嘅時候咧 shear stress 咧都會增加，即係就拉力就會勁啲啦。咁當嗰個 stress 係大過個 strength 嘅時候，就會有 landslide 啦。咁香港嘅情況咧 ，in Hong Kong situations there are many causes and it can be divided into the human and the natural cause. So let's look at the natural cause first. So for the natural terrain, first of all related to the rainfall. Okay, so you can see here the dark blue place are where we got the most serious rainfall all the time. And you can see on those places, the red spot of the landslide, they are accumulated more. Okay, it is because when it rains, the soil will be saturated and the friction and cohesion will be reduced. So the shear stress, the shear stress will reduce as well. The shear strength 因為嗰個 friction 同埋嗰個 cohesion 係 related to 嗰個 strength 嘅，即係佢本身嘅自身 嘅能力啦就會減弱啦。So on page 111 to 112, okay, here is a summary chart. When there are very heavy rain, the soil will be saturated, 飽和咗啦。Friction and the cohesion of the soil grains will reduce. The strength 本身能力 will reduce. At the same time, because of the rain, it will add weight to the slope materials. Therefore, the stress will increase. When the stress are greater than the strength, landslide will happen. So in Hong Kong, our annual rainfall is quite high actually. It's about 2,400 mm. And in summertime, so here from May to September is the highest. 咁你睇個雨量咧，呢度你 refer 翻呢邊 ，OK， 咁都有450 mm 嘅每個月喺夏天啦。Okay, in addition to the monsoon bringing the typhoons, droughts, and the big, strong, heavy rainstorm to increase our stress, the stress, and reduce our shear strength of a slope. So that's why the landslide will always happen in the wet summer months. Okay, and the characteristics of the slope in Hong Kong, for the steep gradient slope is more vulnerable， 即係容易啲啦去承受呢一個嘅 landslide 嘅。So you can see if the slope is steeper than 30 degrees, okay, it is significantly higher risk than those slope of like, for example, 10 degrees. In Hong Kong, you can see from this chart, our slope gradients are more than 30 degrees. So that's why we will always likely have the landslide. And also the geology. The geology also affects the slope stability 個穩定性啦 because it is formed to resist for weathering. If the rocks that are not resistant to weathering, then they are easily the landslide will easily happen. Okay. So in Hong Kong, our major rocks are the granite and the coarse-grained volcanic rocks. So in a hot and wet climate, which is very common in Hong Kong, the granite, they will easily weathered, especially for the feldspar. Okay, they will weathered into the clay. And the quartz become loose, and because granite got a lot of joints, so it allows the water to sift in to facilitate the chemical weathering. So rapid and frequent chemical weathering may create a very thick layer of the soil on the slope, increasing the slope material's weight. And that's why it might reduce the shear strength of the slope. 好，咁講完一啲嘅天然嘅 factors 啦，咁人為嘅因素又有啲乜嘢呢？咁上一個 chapter 你都講我哋會係去 cut 個 slope 啦，去起樓啦。咁但係呢，呢一啲 cutting slope 呢，其實係會令到我哋嘅 slope gradient 呢係會增加嘅，係啦。So 增加咗之後嗰個即係 pooling stress 呢就會增高啦，嗰個 shear stress 啦。咁 that's why the risk of landslide will also be increased. Okay, so from here you can see the landslide by different types of the slope failure. And the cut slope, the fill slope will make larger shear stress, and while the cut slope will make smaller shear strength. So these two are favorable for the landslide to happen. And 本身呢個 human activities 即係 cutting 個 slope 啦，已經係好危險啦。咁但係我哋暫時都未有一個 official 嘅 body去control 或者 take care of 呢一啲危險嘅 slope 嘅。 OK， 咁所以呢一個都係其中一個問題啦。佢冇監管得好，所以咧就會令到嗰個 landslide 嘅危機咧係提升㗎啦。咁譬如你見到呢一紮呢一啲嘅臨時屋啦，咁喺1960嘅時候啦，咁其實佢係因為佢斬咗啲樹先可以起到呢啲屋㗎嘛，咁冇咗嗰啲嘅樹根去找住咧，咁啲泥土咧就 cannot be hold 啦 ，cannot be held， 咁啊容易啲又有 landslide 啦。咁第二樣咧就係有啲人咧會非法啦 unauthorized growing on the slope， 會去種一啲嘅植物喺個草上面，或者耕田啦。OK，the people they will cut the slope on the hillside for the cultivation or their own gardening. OK，but they don't know how to stabilize the slope, or they don't know how to maintain the slope in a good way. So they will do the ploughing and make the slope to be loosened. The soil will be loosened as well. So these two will increase the surface runoff. 咁你冇嘢找住嗰啲嘅泥土啦，係令到泥土又鬆咗咯喎，係咪？咁咧就會增加佢嗰個嘅 surface runoff 啦 ，and erode the topsoil. And at the same time, the water could infiltrate to the ground by the loosened space of the soil, and this will raise the water table. 咁個水嗰個 water table 咧就會存量會多咗啦。OK， 咁咧就會 increase the chance of the landslide 啦。And at the same time, apart from cutting the slope, some field slope and the retaining wall in Hong Kong, they were built a long time ago, but they didn't have the safety standard. They didn't meet the safety standard lately. 即係佢可能係未必符合而家喺呢一個經濟環境啦，或者而家呢一個我哋而家嘅標準，可能佢係以前起落嘅就未必 fulfill 到啦。譬如佢呢度啦，一啲 cracks 啦，可能佢係因為 fill slope 啊嘛，佢可能未必係 fill 得好，咁又 fill 咗之後，可能佢又有啲磨蝕啊，或者啲滲漏問題啦，咁就冇完善咁樣處理 ，poorly maintained 啦。咁所以呢一個咧都係可以令到個 slope 咧係變得好弱啦、好脆弱啦、好甚至乎好容易係 collapse 嘅。咁呢度你見到一個 example 啦，觀龍樓啦喺 Kennedy Town 嘅。咁依家佢後面其實都香港大學都有一個宿舍喺上高嘅。咁見到呢一個就係一個 example 啦，就係因為 surface and subsurface drainage 啦，嗰陣時可能係冇嘅。咁如果佢起翻嘅時候咧，因為點解好重要咧？可以幫助個 slope 去排水啦，咁佢個 soil 就唔使咁容易飽和啦。咁所以就可以如果唔係嘅話咧，即係如果唔係冇起呢一啲嘅 drainage 嘅話咧，咁佢好容易飽和嘅時候咧，嗰個 shear strength of the slope 咧就會 reduce 啦，即係嗰個 slope 咧就會重咗啊嘛，因為咁之前就係因為冇一個完善嘅一個管理啦，即係可能冇佢哋唔識得去起呢啲嘅 drainage， 或者起得唔好咧，咁都會令到我哋嗰個 slope 會爛啦，會倒塌啦，從而咧係導致山泥傾瀉嘅。OK， 咁跟住落嚟嗰啲咧就係關於嗰啲 preventive measures 啦，就比較 common sense 都好容易，咁我就覺得你哋可以自己睇翻啦。咁如果有咩問題咧，就可以之後再問我啦。咁呢個就係 8.7 嘅 8.6 同 8.7 嘅 summary 啦。